Michael Sawaf highlights the future of teleorthodontics. Thanks to digital technology, the healthcare industry is undergoing a significant transformation. With the rise of teleorthodontics and mobile health apps, the way people approach dental care, especially orthodontic treatment, is set to change dramatically. Teleorthodontics is using telecommunication technology to diagnose, consult, and sometimes treat orthodontic conditions remotely. It's a boon for patients living in remote areas or those with hectic schedules, making dental care more accessible and convenient. Through digital platforms, orthodontists can monitor a patient's progress more frequently and adjust their treatment plans in real time. These apps can guide patients through their orthodontic journey, from demonstrating proper brace care to reminding them about appointment schedules and wear times for removable devices. They can use these apps to send reminders, educational content, and encouragement, fostering a closer patient-practitioner relationship. This improves patient satisfaction and compliance with treatment plans, which is crucial for achieving desired outcomes. As one looks to the future, it's evident that teleorthodontics and mobile health apps are set to play a pivotal role in transforming orthodontic care. The potential for these technologies to improve treatment outcomes, enhance patient experience, and make orthodontic care more accessible is immense. Orthodontists like Michael Sawaf are at the forefront of this change, embracing digital technologies to provide their patients with high standards of care. As more orthodontists adopt these technologies, individuals can expect a significant shift in how orthodontic care is delivered, making it more in tune with the digital age. The journey towards this future is just beginning, and it promises to be transformative for patients and orthodontists alike.